Akshita, let me show you yet again as to what's happening on ground zero. Interesting developments have taken place. First of all, Mumbai police person, I'll ask my camera person Samir Shanbag to show you what's happening on ground zero one by one. Mumbai police officials are stationed outside Ria's place. A team is already inside. Now, on my left hand side, one vehicle of the Mumbai police is already here. Samir Shanbag, try and show the viewers. We are telling the viewers everything that's happening on ground zero. Another vehicle of the Mumbai police is there. Now, I'll go behind and show you. Now, this is major development that's taking place. Samir, please turn around. Show the vehicles here. Another Mumbai police vehicle here. There is a large van of the Mumbai police here. So you can, Akshita, you can well imagine the preparedness that is taking place on ground zero. I have never seen this kind of preparations ever before. But this is unprecedented. One, two, and a bigger van. Three big vehicles of the Mumbai police. A team of the Mumbai police is already with the Narcotics Control Bureau. That has already gone inside. There is one team that is here guarding the gates as well. And interestingly, Samir Wankhede, as I have been telling the viewers, the senior Narcotics Control Bureau official, he himself has gone inside to issue summons to Rhea Chakrabarti. And along with Samir Wankhede, I saw at least two women NCB officials who have also, now there's some development. Samir, just try and catch, if you can, what is happening inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see 4 Mumbai police, in fact 5 Mumbai police officials from the gates. They are just in the lobby area and surrounding the very car in which perhaps Rhea Chakrabarti would be moving out, if at all. So it's turning out to be a busy day here. Now, after the statements that had come out by Souvik Chakrabarti, wherein Akshita, he had clearly stated that he was procuring drugs. Yes, he had accepted that he was procuring drugs, and that too at the behest of his sister Rhea Chakrabarti. 1, 2, Samuel Miranda, the house help of the late actor Sushant Singh Rajput. After intense interrogation and questioning, he too had accepted that he was procuring drugs at the behest of Souvik and Rhea Chakrabarti. 3rd, Dipesh Sawant, the accountant of Sushant Singh Rajput. He too accepted that he was procuring drugs at the behest of Souvik and Rhea Chakrabarti. So big developments that have taken place from ground zero, and the Narcotics Control Bureau says that all these people, be it Dipesh Sawant, be it Samuel Miranda, or be it Souvik Chakrabarti, were fully aware that they were procuring and they were transporting narcotics. They were transporting banned substances. That was illegal. But in spite of knowing that, they were indulging in these illegal activities. And that is the reason why their statements have become so crucial, and their statements have formed the ground for the Narcotics Control Bureau to reach at Rhea Chakrabarti's place early morning to be issued the summons. Remember, Rhea Chakrabarti's brother, Souvik Chakrabarti, is already in the custody of the Narcotics Control Bureau, along with Samuel Miranda. As far as the drug peddlers are concerned, 2 important names, Zayed and Basit Parihar, and they too have named Souvik Chakrabarti and Rhea Chakrabarti's name. Even though, as far as the lawyers of Rhea Chakrabarti and Souvik Chakrabarti are concerned, they maintain that Rhea and Souvik have never taken any drugs and that they are ready for any test at any given point of time. Additionally, Akshata, since we are giving the viewers a 360-degree perspective on all the things, let the viewers also know that when the Narcotics Control Bureau searched the place of Rhea Chakrabarti and Samuel Miranda, they did not find any drugs in person with Shovik or with Samuel Miranda. But the NCB officials say that this is a network-based crime that is taking place, and that is the reason why it becomes very important for them to interrogate and seek custody of Rhea Chakrabarti. So for the next couple of hours, Rhea Chakrabarti's place is going to be the center of attention. Since last evening, we had been anticipating that since the statement, the crucial clinching evidence are with the Narcotics Control Bureau, it was just a matter of time that Rhea Chakrabarti would be summoned, and early morning it has happened. The senior officials of the Narcotics Control Bureau are now here along with the female staffers, and they have been being given assistance by the Mumbai police. And as I was telling the viewers, this is simply unprecedented. One person and two vehicles of the Mumbai police along with a big van of the Mumbai police. One team of the Mumbai police already inside, another guarding at the gate outside. So it's bound to be a big day today. Rhea Chakrabarti, who's the Bollywood actress, the girlfriend of the late actor, now in serious trouble.
We know that there have been several statements to the NCB against Rhea Chakrabarti, and that's what's really prompted this move that we're seeing right now, Pankaj, of the NCB team along with the Mumbai police currently at Rhea's apartment, officially issuing her a summon. What we've been seeing, at least on Friday, is that when the NCB officials went to these houses, for example, with Shovik, he was immediately taken in. He, in fact, volunteered to go with them and decided to be questioned then and there. Does it look likely that that's going to happen, that when the NCB steps out now, they will be accompanied by Rhea?
Well, it's very hard to predict at this point of time. Ideally, when summons have been issued to her, she would be asked to present herself in front of the Narcotics Control Bureau officials. Now that the lady officials are also accompanying NCB, it seems that perhaps she could be accompanied by the team of the NCB officials. As the NCB officials were yesterday saying that there is nothing to hide, this is an open investigation, and that the summons would be issued to Rhea Chakrabarti in person, and everyone would know when those summons would be issued. Now, with the kind of official presence that I am seeing here, it is highly likely that perhaps Rhea Chakrabarti might just be accompanying these officials to the headquarters of the Narcotics Control Bureau in South Mumbai. But it remains to be seen. That might just take a little while. We do not know whether the NCB officials last night itself had apprised the family and the lawyers of Rhea Chakrabarti about the developments that are going to take place early morning. We do not know whether Rhea Chakrabarti was prepared for this or not. But what we can tell the viewers right now, what I can confirm, what's happening on ground zero is the fact that the Narcotics Control Bureau officials are here. They've taken charge. Samir Wankhede, the senior official of the Narcotics Control Bureau, along with the lady officials, are already inside Rhea Chakrabarti's place for the last 10 minutes.